The corporation of the City of Panjim has started the pre-monsoon work of cleaning the drains. But what is shocking to note is the huge amount of empty PET bottles which are thrown around and actually choking Panjim's gutters. Herald TV sends out a special message to people to manage their waste and use the bins and not throw waste around the place.
Our pre-monsoon work is going on well. We have set ourselves a target of mid-May for completion of all of our works. We have asked all of the contractors who are currently doing work in the city for their support also. Everyone is chipping in and giving us labor. So we should be done well before the monsoon starts. When we're doing inspections, we notice like a lot of our drains. There are a lot of utilities. For example, BSNL has laid their utilities, water pipeline has laid their utilities. So now we're having certain issues with all of those. Now as we clean the drains, we'll ask each department to address all of these issues. For example, now BSNL has agreed to move some of their junction boxes. It was a major issue next to Azad Maidan. Now a lot of these roads, a lot of these drains, especially the old Portuguese drains, have not been opened in like 10 years. Now we hope to open we plan on opening all of these things, resilting all of them once and for all, and then reinstating all of those. So work is going well. We'll have everything done before the monsoon starts.
Okay, पण ड्रेनेज जे ओपन केल्या तुमचे काम प्री monsoon पहिले कंप्लीट जातले.
Yeah, our pre-monsoon work will get over well before monsoon. It will not be an issue at all. We've got extra labor and everything, so we'll be fine.
थोडे जे गटर जे असं जे फुल ऑफ प्लास्टिकान भरलेले असं.
That is what I'm saying also. I'd request people to stop littering also. Now if anyone has an issue, especially with our door-to-door collection or anything like that, we have plenty of dustbins that are put around the city and everything. If anyone has an issue with collection, please bring it to our notice instead of throwing everything. Or if they'd like dustbins to be put around the area, we're more than happy to do that. But now all the plastic is choking up all of our drains, especially with all the utilities and all. You have 5-6 pieces of plastic and the entire drain is blocked. So now we're just requesting people at least to dispose of their plastic and everything properly. If there's any issue, then please let us know. More than happy to help.
किती फाईन बिन त्यांना तुम्ही देऊन द्यायचे.
Now we have started. Now we have asked all of our inspectors. We want to start in the market first. So we've asked all of our inspectors to go around and start fining heavily now for single-use plastic and everything like that. So our fines have been starting at 5,000, 10,000, all of those things. So now, in addition to requesting also, now we should be strict when it comes to all of this.
Sagun Gowde for Herald TV.